Hello everyone, and today I'm reviewing this 3-in-1 wireless microphone that can be used on iPhones, Androids, iPads, like you name it. It has 3 different attachments, as you can see. It has one that is, this is actually not really seen much, that is like the old aux cord, like for connecting things to a microphone or to music, stuff like that. Then you have your iPhone, the old iPhone USB, as well as another USB right there. Let's open it up. So here is main cord, USB there to plug into an AC wall plug. You'll have a USB-C there and then another one right there. Next up, you have your attachment right here, one side, up, down, with the power button right there in the center. The little blue light saying that it's on. You then have your 2 wireless microphones right here, with clips that can be attached on and then clipped. So I will show you how to work them. It also comes with a user manual that has every step and instruction you will need to work these very simple microphones. Here it is, and I'm whispering so that you know it's picking up sound. When it flashes green, both on the microphone and on the device that you plug into your camera, your phone, whatever. Right now it's plugged into my phone. It should flash green to show that it's connected. Now, I'm gonna walk all the way over into the corner of my room, and I'm gonna keep whispering. Da 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 da, and you can still hear me because that's how it works. It works over a distance. The battery also works for 7 hours, which is great. And again, you can use it on no matter like what kind of phone you have, being an Android, even if that's, slightly unfortunate, it still works. So this product is a 10 out of 10. If you are interested in vlogging or doing something like YouTube, ASMR even, I highly suggest investing in one of these, because it also clips onto your clothes. Just like that. Can you still hear me? Yes, you can. Ha ha ha.